Revant.
Ma'am, you can start
Sharma.
off. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Children, the name which I am calling out, please listen to my instruction carefully. Jayashri of 3C, Revant Sharma of 3C, and
Today, ma'am.
yes, wait. And Mahashweta of 3D. So I have selected 3 children today from C section and D section. So why I have selected? Because you have to say collect 10 things for Ginati. In the last 10 minutes, I will give you time for collecting things, and you have to start counting the numbers in Hindi. Yes, in the last class I have told you this, right? Do you remember? Yes, that is Jayashri of 3C. Jayashri, can you unmute and talk? Jayashri of 3C. Jayashri, if you are not ready, then I will change the name. Please unmute and say yes or no. Yes, Mahashweta, are you ready to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahashweta, during the exercise time, you can go and collect the things, okay? 10 things. Then Revant Sharma of 3C. Revant Sharma. Yes, Mahashweta, you can mute yourself.
Ma'am, anything.
Anything. Revant.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are ready, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next, Jayashri. Jayashri, are you there? So Jayashri is not responding. I will change the name. Pratiksha, please mute yourself. Yes, I will say some other name instead of Jayashri. Meenaja of 3C. Meenaja,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, can you do that? You have to take 10 things, any 10 things which is available at your home, and you can switch on your video when I tell you to do that, and you start counting the Ginati numbers 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Okay, Meenaja? Meenaja?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now switch off your videos, children. Mute yourself, all of you. Yes. So children, in the last class, we have seen Barakhadi of Ka Varga. Once again, we will just revise one time and then we will move on to the writing part. Okay? Seema ma'am? Seema ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, you can start revising. Children, so we have seen all Ka Varga. Now Seema ma'am will revise this.
Yes, children. Listen carefully, all of you. First, we will revise all letters. Okay? Ka varg 12 khadi. Last class you learn already. Ka varg ki 12 khadi. Ka varg first letter is ka. So first ka letter is okay. So first ka ka plus a की मात्रा plus means jama. So I will say jama. Ka jama a की मात्रा का जमा ई की मात्रा ई means छोटी ई small e की का की क प्लस सॉरी क जमा ई की मात्रा की क जमा उ की मात्रा को क जमा उ की मात्रा बड़ा उ बिग उ की मात्रा कु कक्का किक्की कुक्कू क्री क जमा री की मात्रा क्री. जमा means plus. So वैसे in हिंदी जमा. क प्लस ए की मात्रा के. क जमा ए की मात्रा के. क जमा आई की मात्रा कई के कई. क जमा ओ की मात्रा को. क जमा औ की मात्रा
Seema
कम.
ma'am,
Yes ma'am.
somebody has unmuted, I think. Just check their name, no?
Okay ma'am. Children please mute yourself. Yes dear. क जमा अंग की मात्रा कम. And last one क जमा आहा की मात्रा कहा. कक्का किक्की कुक्कू क्री. केकाई कोकाऊ कम कहा. First letter ka is over and second letter is kha. Kha ka kha. Kha. First no any matra sign, so kha letter is empty letter. Kha kha. Kha jama a की मात्रा kha. Kha jama i की मात्रा e means small e. ठीक. ख जमा ई की मात्रा ई बड़ी ई बिग ई. खी खखा खिखी. खु खु खु. ख जमा उ की मात्रा छोटा उ स्मॉल उ की मात्रा खु. ख जमा बड़ा उ की मात्रा खू खु खू. ख जमा री की मात्रा ख्री ख्री. ख जमा ए की मात्रा खे. and ख जमा आई की मात्रा खई खे खई. ख जमा ओ की मात्रा खो. ख जमा औ की मात्रा खऊ. ख जमा अम की मात्रा खम. and ख जमा आहा की मात्रा खहा. once again खखा खिखी खुखू ख्री. खेखई खोखऊ खम खहा. Third letter is
Maybe.
children please mute yourself dear. Children please. Santosh please mute yourself. Third letter is G. Santosh please. G. G. Ga. Ga जमा आ की मात्रा गा. Please dear mute yourself. G. Ga. Ga first letter G no any matra symbol. So G is empty letter. Empty means खाली अक्षर. खाली अक्षर. G जमा आ की मात्रा गा. ग जमा आ की मात्रा गा. ग जमा ई की मात्रा छोटी ई स्मॉल ई की मात्रा गी. ग जमा बड़ी ई की मात्रा बड़ी ई मीन्स बिग ई गी. गग्गा गिग्गी गु. ग जमा उ छोटा उ स्मॉल उ की मात्रा गु. ग जमा बड़ा उ की मात्रा गु गुग्गू. ग जमा री की मात्रा ग्री ग्री. ग
Seema ma'am, Seema ma'am, I think you are in mute.
Not understood, ma'am.
Yes, Litika, what is your doubt, Litika?
That is my. That is only, ma'am.
Which one? Which one you don't understand? Okay, I will repeat once again. Children, in last class we have seen how the Vyanjan letters are joining with the matras. Yes. So here we have ka, kha, ga, gha. Yes. Ka, kha, ga, gha. Now we can see here all ka varga letters with the matra symbols. Ka, ka, ki, ki. So here ka is with a ki matra. This is choti e, ki, 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 ku, ku, kr, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Okay, so ka letter is mixed with all the matras and we have got all Barakhadi. That is 12 steps of Barakhadi. Yes, next one is kha. 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 Ki. Ki. Khu. Khu. Khr. Khe. Khai. Kho. Khau. Kham. Khaha. So if you write one line ka varga, in ka varga, if you write ka, children please don't unmute yourself in the middle. Don't touch the screen, you just listen what I am teaching. Please don't touch the screen unnecessarily, don't unmute and come out. Yes, so first line after writing ka with all the matras, then it will be easy for you to write for other Vyanjan letters. Yes, when you write ka, ka, ki, ku, kr, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. The same matra symbols you are going to use it for all the Vyanjan letters. Now we will move on to ga. Ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gri, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha. Yes, in the same way for the last gha letter also. Gha, 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 ghi, ghi, gu, ghu, gri, ghe, ghai, gho, ghau, gham, ghaha. Okay, children? Okay. Now I think it is clear. Once again, I will teach you while writing. Children, take your rough notes and you can practice along with me. Okay, listen to my instructions very clearly. See, when my video is switched on, yes,
Able
children?
to see, ma'am.
Yes, see, I have written all the, please mute yourself, please. I request all the parents, please check on your kids whether they are not unmuting often. Children, now you can see my screen. I have written I till aha, right? Now you have to double tap. If you are using a mobile, you have to double tap on my screen to make it bigger. Yes? Double tap on my screen to make it bigger. Have you done it? So I have written all the swar letters. Please comment in the chat box. Have you done it? Yes or no? Yes. If you are using a laptop, then you can click once. It will ask you for pinning. Don't unmute yourself. Again and again, I'm repeating this. If you unmute, others cannot see my screen. Please, I request
It's
you,
not
don't
clear, ma'am.
unmute. Litika, please don't unmute yourself, Litika. Whatever you want to tell, you can say in the chat box. Yes. Now, children, can you see all the swar letters which is written down here? Yes. So I think it is clear. Now I'm going to start with the first Vyanjan letter, that is Ka. So under all the swar letters, I'm going to write this. Children, if you have not written swar letters, it is okay. You can start writing from where I'm going to begin now. Okay? Yes. Now I'm going to write the first letter Ka. Under A, I'm writing Ka. Yes, Ka. So A has no matra. I'm writing just Ka. And next I'm going to join Ka with A ki matra. That is Ka and one standing line. Ka. 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 And next is I'm going to join Ka with choti e ki matra. Standing line and a curve on the top. Ki. Ki. Yes. Next, Ka with badi e ki matra. Ki. Ki. Ka. Ka. Ki. Ki. And I'm going to join Ka with chota u. Ka and chota u. Yes, ku. Ku. And I'm going to join Ka with badi u ki matra. So badi u ki matra, you know, towards the right. Yes, bada u. Bada u. Chota u, that is towards the left, and bada u towards the right. Ka, ka with a ki matra. Then ki. Choti e towards the left, and badi e towards the right. Choti e. Ki. Ki. Ku. Ku. And next I'm going to join Ka with Ri ki matra. Kr. Kr. A small C under the consonant. Yes, I have told you this. A small C under the consonant. That is Kr. And next one, I'm going to join Ka with A ki matra. Ka and one horn on the top. K. K. Ka with A ki matra is K. K. Once again, I'll repeat from the first. Ka with A ki matra. The same Vyanjan letter will be written here. That is, Ka is again written here. Ka with A ki matra. One standing line. One standing line. Ka with E ki matra. Choti E towards the left. And Ka with E ki matra. Badi E towards the right. And Ka with U ki matra, chota u, that is towards the left. Ka with U ki matra, bada u towards the right. And Ka with Ri ki matra, small c under the consonant. And Ka with A ki matra, one horn on the top. Children, if you are very thorough with the matra symbol, then it is very easy for you to write this. Okay. Next. Ka with I ki matra. Ka and two horns on the top. That is I ki matra. Ka with I ki matra is kai. Ka with I ki matra is kai. And ka with O ki matra. O ki matra, one standing line and one horn near the consonant. So it is ko. It is ko. And then ka with au ki matra. Ka and now au ki matra is one standing line and two horns on the top. Kau. Kau. And then ka with ki matra. Ka and one dot on the top. That is kam. Kam. And the last one is ka with aha ki matra. Ka and two dots in the side. Kaha. Once again, I will show you everything, children. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Yes, is it clear, children? Anybody has doubts in this? Any questions? Any questions? Is it clear? Yes. Now, shall we move on to the next letter? Yes. If you have any doubts, you can unmute and ask me. Okay. If you are very thorough with the matra symbols and the swar, it is very easy to write Barakhadi. Okay. So now it will be very easy to write the next letter also, because we are going to follow the same signs for all the Vyanjan letters. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next letter. What is after Ka?
எதுக்கு போச்சு வெளியில எதுக்கு வெளில போச்சு எதுக்கு போச்சு
Vishali.
ஏன் தொட்ட
Vishali, please mute yourself. Yes. Yes. Now what is after Ka? After Ka, what is the next letter? What is the next letter after Ka, children? Kha. Now I'm going to write Kha letter. Yes. Yes, very good. Kha. So in our place there is no matra, so it is Kha. Only Kha. And I am joining Kha with A ki matra. That is Kha. 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 And I'm joining Kha with E ki matra. That is, I'm writing Kha, and from the left side a curve. Ki. Ki. And Kha with E ki matra. I'm writing Kha, and from the right side one curve. Ki. Ki. And Ka with U ki matra. I'm writing Ka, and towards the left under the consonant Khu. Khu. And next is I'm writing Kha, and I'm writing Badi U ki matra towards the right. Khu. Khu. Yes. Next is Ri ki matra. I'm joining Kha with Ri ki matra. Kha and small c. Kri. Kri. And next I'm writing Kha with A ki matra. Khe. Khe. And
Hello, Ruveda ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
It is not visible. Post now open. Yes,
Is
children.
visible, Sima ma'am?
Yeah, now visible. Yes, children.
Okay.
Now you can.
Okay. Khe. A ki matra. Kha with A ki matra. Khe. And then Kha with I ki matra. Two horns on the top. Khai. And Kha with O ki matra. Kha with O ki matra. One standing line and one horn. Kho and Kha with Au ki matra. Kha, one standing line and two horns. Khau. Khau. Then Kha and one dot on the top. Kha. Kham. Sorry, kham. And Kha with two dots in the side is Khaha. Khaha. So once again I will show you from the beginning. Yes. Khakha, khikhi, khukhu, khr, khe khai, kho khau, kham khaha. Yes, children, have any questions in this kha bara khadi? Any questions in this kha bara khadi? Isn't it very easy when you write the first line? Then all the lines becomes very easy because you are going to follow the same matra signs for all the Vyanjan letters. Yes? Anybody is feeling difficult to write this? Do you understand everything? So shall I move on to the next one? Ga. Okay. Now we'll write ga, ka, kha, ga. Now we are going to just follow the same thing, same matra symbols for ga also. Ga plus a ki matra ga, standing line. Ga plus e ki matra gi. Ga plus e ki matra gi. Ga plus u की मात्रा गु. Ga plus u की मात्रा गु.
Excuse me, Rubada, ma'am. Video is not visible, ma'am. It's upside coming. Saran Yas's host name came upside on the screen. Saran Yas's 3D host.
Host name is coming.
Yes, Saran Yas's 3D.
Now, ma'am, now is it visible?
Yes, yes,
Yes?
yes.
Okay. Please, whoever is hosting, please kindly check whether you are in mute. Yes, now gu. Next, ga with ri ki matra gri. Ga with a ki matra ge. Ga with I ki matra gai. Ga with o ki matra go. Ga with au ki matra gau. And ga with am ki matra gam. And ga with aha ki matra gah. Seema ma'am, is the screen visible?
Visible. Clear. Screen is
Uh,
clear.
Yes, if anybody is unable to see the screen, please change your place and try once again. Please change your sitting place and try once again. So children, we have seen ka, kha and ga. Now this gha is your homework. You have to do homework for this letter gha. I think you have already received a video and a picture in WhatsApp group. Please take it as reference, practice, and write gha letter as homework. Okay?
In WhatsApp, ma'am.
Yes, after writing, you can send it in WhatsApp. Litika, I told you once again, I'm telling you, don't unmute and ask. I'm seeing all the chats. Please come in the chat box.
Michael, also you mute also, Michael. Michael 3D. Please mute yourself.
Yes, children. So we have written ka varga, ka, kha, and ga. Now gha is your homework, and you have to do it and send it in WhatsApp. Okay. Now I will stop my video. Seema ma'am. Seema ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am. You can start the ginti. quickly so that we can call other 3 children who are ready with things.
Yes, children. Now I'm going
Children, now Seema ma'am will once again show you the Ginti, and then we will call the 3 children which we have already selected. They will be ready with their things. So after Seema ma'am's video, you will all switch on your video one by one when I call your names. Okay? Yes, Seema ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready. Yes, children. So now I'm going to teach you Hindi Ginti 1 to 10 in Hindi. 1 से 10 तक. Okay? Yes. You count with me, but mute yourself. Okay? You count along with me, children. Yes.
Seema ma'am, have you switched on your video?
Yes, ma'am. Nishan. Visible, ma'am?
No, I cannot see it.
Not visible. Now, ma'am?
Michael, can you unpin your video? I think Michael has given something.
Yes.
It's not visible, Seema ma'am. Children, I kindly request you do not touch the screen during the class. If you don't know how it works, please don't touch the screen.
Children, please mute yourself.
Seema ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now your video is visible. Dharwan, please mute your video. You keep on touching something. Yes, ma'am, it is visible. Children, please double tap on Seema ma'am's name so that the video will become bigger. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. So today I'm going to teach you Hindi Ginti 1 से 10 तक in English and 10. So many beautiful birds, so many flowers.
Can you be little louder, ma'am?
Yes. So many flowers. Now I'm going to count one by one. How many flowers there?
Pranavi, please mute yourself. Pranavi.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the flower is there. 10 flower is there. Okay, children? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, thank you. You can switch off your video, ma'am. Yes, now I request Meenaja of 3C. Are you ready with your things?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Meenaja, you can switch on your video and show this. Meenaja, I cannot see your video. Yes, now I can see it. Yes, ma, start.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes.
Very good, very good. Super, Meenaja. Claps for you, star for you. Okay. Okay, Minaja, you can switch off your video. Next, Revant Sharma of 3C. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Revant, you can start your video.
Ek, don,
It's not don, it is do. Revant, it is not don, it is do.
Okay, ma'am. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Revant, 1 minute. You can show near your face itself. Don't bring near to the camera, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You can keep it normally. Yes. Yes.
Huh?
Okay, start.
Yes, start.
Ek, don,
Face it all.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, Revant. Superb, Revant. Yes, you can mute off your video, Revant.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Then next, Mahashweta, are you ready? Mahashweta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahashweta, start.
Ek,
Wait, it is not clear. Yes, start.
ek,
Hmm.
don,
It's not don, it is do. Do.
do,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes. Show it near your face. Near your face. Yes.
5.
Litika, please mute yourself.
7, 8, now, 10.
Yes, very good, Mahashweta. Very good. Superb,
you, ma'am.
Mahashweta. Yes. You can switch off your video.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children, like this we will call each and every person, three persons. From the next class, I will call 4 children. Okay, so you be ready. When I call the names alone, you get ready. Okay, get ready. And next class onwards, we are going to read also. Yes, shall we see the song one time?
We also ready, ma'am.
Yes, Ma, this time we have only 3 participants. Next time we will call you. Yes, shall we sing a song? Yes, we have last 4 minutes. We will quickly see the song. I think till 4 we have sung the song. एक ईश्वर है सबका मालिक, एक ईश्वर है सबका मालिक, दो आँखों से देखते हैं हम, दो आँखों से देखते हैं हम, 3 पहियों पर चलता ऑटो, 3 पहियों पर चलता ऑटो, 4 दीवार से बनता है घर, 4 दीवार से बनता है घर. Yes, till this we have already seen. Now we'll go to 5. 5 उंगलियां बनाती मुट्ठी. That is मुट्ठी. It is fist. When you close your hand, it becomes fist. Yes. 5 उंगलियां. You have 5 fingers. उंगलियां means fingers. From the first, I will sing once again. एक ईश्वर है सबका मालिक, एक ईश्वर है सबका मालिक, दो आँखों से देखते हैं हम, दो आँखों से देखते हैं हम, तीन पहियों पर चलता ऑटो, तीन पहियों पर चलता ऑटो, चार दीवार से बनता है घर, चार दीवार से बनता है घर, पांच उंगलियां बनाती मुट्ठी, पांच उंगलियां बनाती मुट्ठी, मुट्ठी मीन्स फिस्ट, यस, पांच उंगलियां बनाती मुट्ठी, छह से छक्का लगाए धोनी, छह से छक्का लगाए धोनी, कैन यू सी? Yes, I'm just singing like Dhoni is hitting a six. Yes, छह is six. छह से छक्का लगाए धोनी. Yes, till six we will sing today. Okay, once again we will repeat. You can also repeat at home without unmuting. एक ईश्वर है सबका मालिक, एक ईश्वर है सबका मालिक, दो आँखों से देखते हैं हम, आँखों इज आईज, दो आँखों से देखते हैं हम, तीन पहियों पर चलता ऑटो, तीन पहियों पर चलता ऑटो, चार दीवार से बनता है घर, चार दीवार से बनता है घर, पांच उंगलियां बनाती मुट्ठी, पांच उंगलियां बनाती मुट्ठी, पांच उंगलियां बनाती मुट्ठी, छह से छक्का लगाए धोनी, छह से छक्का लगाए धोनी. Yes, children, did you enjoy the song? In the next class, we will sing till 10. Okay? Thank you so much. Practice with the video and the picture sent. And do the homework and send it in WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am.